It could be an everyday concern or a matter of life and death that walks through the door of a local independent pharmacy. They're part of the neighborhood since 1959 at the corner of York Avenue and East 86th.
People that they know, that they trust, and they feel comfortable with.
2,000 independent pharmacies are in New York. They're mom and pop shops with a medical specialty. Now they're issuing a different kind of warning.
If they don't adjust it, we will close.
The problem is going on behind the counters with the business end of things and the process of reimbursing local pharmacies for the price of prescription drugs. The state of New York had planned to enact some reforms this year, but the process has been delayed.
We open the doors each and every day with our community in mind and doing the best job we can.
Mount Carmel Pharmacy on East 187th in the Belmont section of the Bronx is a third-generation operation. They're also worried about closing and hope the state legislature will pass some reforms to the system. It would give the state some oversight and control of a complicated system that allows a private industry to decide what to reimburse pharmacies for Medicaid patients' prescriptions.
Although hope is not necessarily a strategy, we are working with the Senate to strategize and work towards something that is more sustainable for us.
Especially in areas where the pandemic has hit hard and access to medical care is a problem, Javier Maldonado worries what would happen to the neighbors.
Now you add to that their local community pharmacy having to close their doors. Now they can't go to their normal pharmacy to get that medication filled. Now what do?
The local pharmacies say the structure just isn't working anymore. Something called pharmacy benefit managers get to decide the reimbursement. It was theoretically set up to help bring down the price of prescription drugs, but that's not what's happening here. The locals say other states have already put in reforms, and they hope New York continues to pick it up. Live on the Upper East Side, Greg Mocker, Pix 11 News.